Are you ready, folks? Let's go! Right, welcome back to another video. We are in the Manitou and we are heading off to some of our away ground where we have some logs, trees I should say, that we've paired up. Just wait for a bit of traffic to pass. And we're going to go and sort of tidy it up. So we're just in the Manitou, put some fuel in, and we are ready to go. I've made it 200 yards and I have a car behind me already. See if we can get a bit further this time. Oh, that was a pothole. Why are our roads so bad? I absolutely hate this junction. You've got to be in the road before you can see left. And it's not a slow corner either. It's a quick piece of road. We're going for it. Cricket club's looking good. Played a lot of cricket in there in my time. Right, sports fans, we're going in here. Rob's decided not to risk it in his truck. Probably a wise decision, seeing as the four-wheel drive doesn't work. Where is best to drive? How wet is it? And are we going to get stuck? They are the three questions I have. It's a fair bit of grass here, we should travel fine. Right, that is the first pile of logs moved. So we're going to make log pile there, because it's at the bottom of the hill. I think Rob is in his happy place with his chainsaw, just cutting everything up. We know it's that bent tine. Got a little bendy one. Right, I've got another pile of logs to load up here, and then I've got a load of like brushwood that we'll grab up and take to a central bonfire location. Oh. See if we can make it down to the pile with that lot. Nice and tight. So all that stuff's going to be burnt. We'll make ourselves a bonfire in the middle of the field somewhere. We're not going to catch any trees on fire. Look how well we're travelling. I haven't even marked the ground. It's the 11th of November. We've currently got the best grass we've had all year. And probably the best weather. It's like mild, proper growing weather. And we're bringing the cows in the day after tomorrow. They need to be in, ready for serving. And we've got all the young stock. The R2s, I suppose they are now. Bulling heifers, what I'm trying to say. So now back on the platform, so they'll tidy up all the grass that the cows won't have eaten. I did send Bowman a message back along saying there's some free wood here for him. He's just want to come and get it. Right, we got some big old boys to pick up here, and then we'll move on to some brushwood. I am the boy. I got this one dragging along as well. Don't really know how long that's going to stay on there. Anyway, we have got heaps and heaps of stuff here to do. We're not going to finish it today. We came and done this in the summer. I don't know if you guys remember, limbing up all the trees. Basically, just making it so when this is silage, because this is taken for first cut, this place, you can get in amongst the trees a bit better. There's so much stuff that gets left. Oh, we've lost it. So much stuff that gets left. Yeah, we thought we'd try and do it a bit different. Now, I want to make a bonfire, but not underneath a tree. I'm just going to go for here. Yeah, we've got all these we limbed up all the way down through, the big ones at the end. Those two we had to go at. There is some wood here. Oh, I wish I had a wood burner. I think that's when I know I'm going to make it in life. When I get myself a wood burner, I've made it. Well, we've been at this for the best part of an hour, and we have cleared the two smallest trees. There is a lot more wood here than what we thought, I reckon. I've put in the call to Bowman. I said, look, come here and take this wood away. Also, I want to change my answer. I know I've made it when I've got a wood burner, but also a lawn big enough to justify having a ride-on lawnmower. That's when I know I've made it. So this is the current burn pile. How is that stick staying on there? Nice, there we go. I know it doesn't look very much there, but there's a fair bit. I'm going to go down and find Abby and Rob, picking stuff up where they are now. Rob's changed his mind a bit. He said, I'm just going to do the easy stuff, because we'll be here for like a week solid if we try and do it all. I mean, look at it all. Also, what doesn't help is we stacked it all on top of each other and pushed it up to stop the cattle brushing it around everywhere. So Rob can't get at half of it, but if he cuts the biggest lengths off, and then I can just take them away, the rest can go for brushwood. There's the cricket pitch. This pitch here used to be part of Rob's field, but they now let it to the cricket club so they can have 2 pitches. There's one here, one up there. All right, I'm going to try and sort some of these big boys. I don't know how many of them I'll be able to move by hand. We'll soon find out. I am Sparta. Oh. The one beside the camera. What's the guy with the chainsaw doing? Taking these... He had one job. That's a big log. Yes. Tripping over one. Get in there. Now, as you can see, impatience is getting the better of us, and some of this stuff that you probably could cut up for logs is going on the fire pile. Don't particularly want to spend a week here doing this, so we're being a bit more selective. Good few leaves on that one. Also, I've started a pile here. I'm going to push that pile onto it later on, because it's sort of underneath that tree, and it's a bit close to the cricket club fence. And I don't want to be responsible for burning their fence. We've got a monster grab foot on here. I'm just taking over Rob's fuel and everything for him. Spare helmet and gloves and stuff for the chain and everything down there. He's been busy. He's cleared through all of this whilst we've been clearing the logs and brush out down there. I can hear him sawing, but I can't see him. Oh, I just dropped a big bit. But anyway, this is all going on by the bonfire I got over here. Someone over there's had the same idea. They've been sawing away. They've got a fire going as well. Look how much grass is here. This pile looks insignificant compared to my other one. Oh, break. Doesn't look so insignificant now. Oh, there's some grass here. Can't believe it. A load of logs there. Everything around these little trees is just brushy stuff, so I'll take a grab of that back with me in a second. Some and some. Old tree guard there, it's knackered. Where is this hooligan? He is having fun. Take this out for him. I bet he's sweating his nuts off.
And it will surely be a new Olympic record.
Right, back to it. Right, we've had enough, and it's lunchtime. Now I've got to get out onto this pretty fast road. And it's a blind turning. Oh, we got nowhere near finishing that. At least another day there. Some chap in a Freelander right at my backside now. Come on, Manitou, you can do it. Oh dear, potholes. We made it. Right, it is definitely lunchtime. But look at this. Nearly all the heifers are now weaned. So the only ones left on milk are in this pen here. And and they're on once a day. So we're very close to finishing feeding calves. Look at them all. Now how about that for a simple calf pen? I know you need the bales of straw here to start with, but they can eat the straw if they want, nibble on the insides of it. They get fed along the other side. Straw gets blown in from that side as well. They got the water out there. And look how much space they got. As much as they could possibly want. They got their 2 little red balls to keep them happy. Something to do. Can you tell where the pen division was? So yeah, we're getting to that time of year now where it's still just like, just about calmed down, and then we'll start serving and it'll be busy again. But at least that is just the cows. It's all fairly handy to the parlour, so it'll be easy enough. Eating into the maize clamp there, look. Oh, fair chunk of grub already gone. We had our first pickup this morning, over 19,000 litres. 19,014 to be exact. And there is 369 cows going in the tank at the moment. So they are averaging just under 26 litres a day, because 19,000 litres is a 2-day collection, which I think is pretty good if you consider probably a quarter of them are heifers, or just under a quarter of them are heifers. There's still a few baronies in there as well. They're going on Friday. The average will actually jump up a bit then. Just seems slightly ludicrous, doesn't it? This really nice weather. I mean, it's warm, it's t-shirt weather now. And the cows are going to be staying in. Not tomorrow, but the day after. I was just panicking then, I've lost my phone, but I'm pretty sure I've left it in the handler. So I'll go and find it. Hello, handler. Busy morning lopping up those trees anyway. Good job done, we've got another day to do at some point. We've actually got an AI refresher course tomorrow, so we won't be back over there tomorrow. One of the vets is coming out and just doing a bit of AI training with us, just as a refresher before we start serving. We've also got milk recording tomorrow afternoon, so tomorrow's quite a busy day. And then I believe one of the vet techs is coming to do mobility scoring either the end of this week, it might even be Wednesday. I don't know. There's a lot going on anyway, is what I'm trying to say. Also, before I forget, the Bikina giveaway to the Bikina boots that are being given away by Bikina has now ended. The winner will be announced on the 18th of November. So make sure you are following mine and Bikina's Instagram to see if you have won that, if you've entered. Thank you very much for watching. Very close to 20,000 subscribers. If you haven't already, please do hit subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheerio!